Have you ever looked up at the sun and wondered how much matter is packed into that massive glowing sphere compared to the tiny building blocks that make up your own hand? To understand the scale of our universe, we need to look at two extremes. First, we have a star, which is a giant ball of hot gas held together by its own gravity. It acts like a cosmic furnace, creating light and heat. On the other end of the spectrum, we have an atom. An atom is the smallest unit of ordinary matter that forms a chemical element. Everything you touch is made of these tiny particles. Let us look at their sizes. The Sun has a diameter of about 1,400,000 kilometers. To measure an atom, we use a unit called a nanometer, which is 1/1,000,000th of a meter. A single hydrogen atom is about 1/10th of a nanometer wide. That is a decimal point followed by 9 zeros and then a 1 in meters. To see how different these are, let us do the math. We need to compare the Sun to the atom using the same units. 1,400,000 kilometers is 1.4 times 10 to the power of 15 nanometers. If we divide this by the size of the hydrogen atom, which is 1/10th of a nanometer, we get a ratio of 14 quadrillion. This means the Sun is 14 quadrillion times wider than a single atom. You might be wondering if the atom is just a solid marble. It is actually mostly empty space with a tiny dense center called a nucleus surrounded by a cloud of electrons. Even with all that space inside, an atom remains unimaginably smaller than a star. If an atom were the size of a stadium, the nucleus would be a marble in the center and the electrons would be like tiny gnats buzzing around the very top rows of the seats. The Sun is so large that you could fit millions of Earths inside it, yet every single one of those Earths is made of atoms that are almost infinitely smaller than the star itself. This vast difference in scale shows us that the universe is built from tiny pieces that aggregate into structures of impossible size. By understanding the ratio between the smallest building block and the largest celestial objects, you can better visualize the true scale of the world around you. You are now looking at the universe not just as a collection of objects but as a hierarchy of sizes, where the smallest parts define the existence of the largest giants. Generate your own educational videos for free at eduvids.app.